slash aliases file, and I find this file particularly helpful because you can go ahead and copy that file to different Linux distribution for your own use of your keyboard shortcuts. So this is the root directory, so these would be hidden files that we'll be creating today. So we'll just close the rocks, and the first thing what we want to do is create this .bashrc aliases file. So we'll go ahead and copy that to a terminal, and we'll just go ahead and insert, and so this file is created, and it also opened in the Genie. So here is the empty file, so we can just confirm it with a rocks here, and you see this file is right now is created. So that's the first step. So next thing what we'll do is we have to make sure that the bashrc at the end of the bashrc that it recalls the bash aliases file. So what we'll do is we'll take a brief look at the stock bashrc file. So this is toward the end, so we'll be adding a line there, and then we'll go back to where we were, and so next is we'll add these 3 lines. So again, we'll go ahead and open up the terminal, and then we'll add the first line, and that just actually just adds that empty line. And then next we'll go ahead and add a comment. So let me do that again. We'll add a comment line here. We'll get a drag, and then just middle click it. We'll do it. So, and then we'll add the real command here by this little script, and then middle click, and then we will take a look at the bashrc file, how it's changed. So we'll reload it, and this is what we want to, at the end of the line, we want to make sure that this is in their source. bash aliases file is being read. So, and then we'll go back to the where we are, and aliases that I'm just going to copy that and then put it in here. So now it has my own aliases. Of particular interest is if I just type in a terminal LA, I'll show you what it does, and this is power off and reboot, and I find this is very helpful. So we'll just go through that fairly quickly. So now the bash aliases has been created with a content. So we'll just go ahead and save that, and then we will reread the JWM. Now you'll notice that a flicker because it will just go back, and then now let me go ahead and start the terminal again. You notice my prompt has changed because not only aliases allow you to go ahead and just organize your alias, but it also gives you a chance to go ahead and modify the prompt with this first line here, and this is the line that I have to give you this appearance from the so this is, and then here I've also put in alias X. So if I just type in X, it just exits the terminal. So just type in, so you notice that. Now the next, we'll go ahead and alias, and then if I type in similarly or open a terminal in PO, it recalls this small script called clean po.sh, and we'll just take a look at that. So to power off, this is the command that actually powers off. But if you do that and if it's downloading a file, or if you're in the middle of writing a letter and then you have not saved it, it'll give this small script of close all .sh will give you a chance to go ahead and save it or discard it before it goes on to either power off or reboot. So that's what this is for, and these all this has to be under the path. So these three files has to be under root my application / bin folder. So, and if you look at this, you need a this major file, this window manager control wmctrl, which is almost always already installed in PuppyLinux. So that's how this works, and so take a look at it. And then alias, if I just simply type in po here, it will safely power off the computer. So RB similarly will just go ahead and safely reboot the computer, and X, as I already stated, will it just closes it.